Assalamu alaikum! In this video, I will be showing you how to create these mini chocolate Qur'ans, which require very few materials, and I actually got inspired by a Christian blog I came across. So the first thing that you'll need is this bag of Hershey's Nuggets assortment of chocolates, which I just picked up from my local grocery store, and you want to make sure to get the bag with the 3 different colors, which is what is perfect for this project. So to start off, I'm just taking a piece of black cardstock and I'm cutting it down to 1.5 by 2.25 inches each. So here I'm just using a pair of scissors to cut out my Quranic verses, which my friend actually helped me size perfectly for this project, and I'll be linking these down below in the description box for y'all to download and print yourselves. You'll also be needing some red ribbon, sized 1/8 of an inch. Here I'm taking my ribbon to a ruler and just measuring it out to 2.5 inches and then cutting it. So here I'm just adding a dab of hot glue to my black cardstock and I'm grabbing my ribbon and then just gluing that down. So here I'm taking my Hershey's chocolates and flipping them over and then adding adhesive to the backing of them. And then with those same chocolates, I'm just going ahead and adhering those down. Here I'm just taking one of the Quranic verses, flipping it over, and then adding adhesive to the backing of it, which I will then adhere down to the rest of my chocolate Quran. Next, I'm just adding a bit of hot glue to the ribbon, which I am then going to be adhering down the center of the Quranic verse. The last step is to take a pair of scissors and just snip off the end of the ribbon. And that is a completed chocolate mini Quran. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you are interested in seeing more content like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I also have a new Instagram if y'all are interested in seeing what latest projects I've been up to and whatnot. But yeah, if you're interested, feel free to follow me on there. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.